Hello everyone, welcome back to the Miss YouTube channel. So today we are here with another class. So let's start today's class. So at first we will read the passage carefully. So today's passage is autumn is the season that comes between summer and winter. So in this passage we will learn about autumn. So autumn is a season which comes between summer and winter. So here what is the meaning of season? So, season is a period of year with specific weather patterns such as temperature, light, and rainfall. So, in India, there are four main seasons, which is winter, monsoon, summer, autumn. So, these four seasons are in our India. We can feel this four season in India. So, the autumn, there is a season which is autumn, which comes between the summer and winter. Next question. There are many things are change in this beautiful season. So in autumn season, there are many things which change in this beautiful season. Day becomes shorter. So when autumn comes, the day became shorter and the night becomes longer than days. Leaves of trees turn from green to lively red, yellow, and orange. So we know that the leaves of tree are green, but when autumn arrives, the leaves of tree turn from green to lively red, yellow, and orange. In fact, trees need sunlight to keep their leaves green. So trees need sunlight to keep their leaves green because of that sun rays. They there is a process which is known as photosynthesis. Because of that, the trees leaves become green and they produce food for themselves. Without sunlight, leaves turn pale. So that's why when autumn arrives, the days become shorter, means the sunlight is less and the leaves of trees become pale because of the less sunlight. The grass is no longer blanketed with dew but with frost almost every morning as temperatures reach to the freezing point. So in other season, the grasses were blanketed with dew, but when autumn arrives, the grass is blanketed with frost almost every morning because the temperatures reaches to the freezing point. Animals start storing up a food supply to last through the long winter months. And when autumn arrives, at the end of the autumn season, the animals started to collect foods or store foods uh, for the long winter month, because after autumn there comes winter. For that, the animals starts to storing their food to last through the long winter months. Next question, next line. These changes occur. Next line. These changes occur as we adjust from the heat of the summer to chill of the winter. So, why these changes occur? So, these changes occurs as we adjust from the heat of the summer to the chill of the winter. So, the changes occur to shift the season from autumn to winter. So the passage is done. Now we will start the questions. So the first question is, autumn occurs between summer and dash. So autumn occurs between summer and which season? Options are January, spring, solstice, winter. So in the passage we learned that autumn occurs between summer and winter. So the correct answer is option number D. Next question. Which of the following changes may occur during autumn? So what kind of changes we can see in autumn? Options are: day becomes shorter, it becomes very hot, becomes very days become longer, there is more sunlight. So the correct answer is days become shorter. So in autumn, the changes which occurs is days become shorter than night. Next question. Leaves turn pale during autumn because they. So why leaves turn pale during autumn season? Options are don't get enough oxygen, don't get enough light, don't get enough water, store too much oxygen. So leaves turn pale during autumn because they don't get enough sunlight. So the option number B is correct answer. So leaves need sunlight to keep their leaves green. If they don't get enough light, then the leaves turn leaves turn pale. Next question. What do animals begin to do prepare for the end of autumn? So what do the animals do for in the end of autumn? Options are store food, eat less, shed fur, turn colors. So animals begin to store food to do prepare for the end of autumn. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question. Another word for blanketed is. So what is the meaning of blanketed? Options are grass, woolen, covered, grew up. So take blanket or uh, when we cover ourselves with blanket to stay warm, that means we are covering our body with blanket. So blanketed means covered. Option number C is the correct answer. So these questions are done. Now we will see what other questions can ask from this passage. So the first question is between which season autumn season comes? So the correct answer is autumn is the season that comes between summer and winter. Next question. What kind of changes uh, happens in autumn? Next question is what kind of changes we can see in the environment when autumn comes? So the answer is there are many things are changed into this beautiful season. Days become shorter. So in this season, days become shorter. Next question. In this season, what changes we can see in leaves? So the correct answer is leaves of tree turn from green to lively red, yellow, and orange. Next question. To keep the leaves green of trees, what is necessary for the tree leaves? So the answer is in fact trees need sunlight to keep their leaves green. Next question. Without sunlight, what occurs to the leaves? So the answer is without sunlight, leaves turn pale. Next question. In autumn season, the grass is blanketed with what thing or with what? So the grass is no longer blanketed with dew but with frost almost every morning as temperatures reach the freezing point. Next question. In the end of autumn, what kind of activities do animals start? So the answer is animals start storing up a food supply to last through the long winter months. Next question. What kind of changes occurs as the autumn season comes? So the answer is these changes occur as we adjust from the heat of the summer to the chill of the winter. So these are the questions which can ask in your exam. So read these questions carefully. So this is it for today's class. Hope you like this class. If you like our class, then like, share, subscribe to the Doers Academy's YouTube channel. And if you want to join us and want to purchase our online courses, then contact us in the given number. Our Doers World Academy app is also available in the Play Store. If you join us, then you will get in this app live classes, free PDFs, free mock tests, and recorded classes. If you want to join us, then do contact us in the given number. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.